Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about iron-carbon diagram at room temperature. What is the stable form of iron in the Phi diagram? A. Austenite. A. Ferrite. C. Cementite. D. Lead-borate. E. Martensite. The correct answer is B. Ferrite. 2. What does the Phi diagram primarily describe? The relationship between temperature and carbon content in steel and cast iron. B. The magnetic properties of iron. C. The electrical conductivity of carbon. D. The tensile strength of pure iron. E. The melting point of carbon. The correct answer is A. The relationship between temperature and carbon content in steel and cast iron. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the maximum solubility of carbon in austenite iron? A. 0.022%. B. 0.76%. O. 2.06%. D. 4.3%. AO 6.67%. The correct answer is C, 2.06%. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.